Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speak Easy Every Day. I'm Jack.
And I'm Priya. Happy Independence Day to everyone celebrating today.
Absolutely. Today is a very special day for us. We're going to talk about Independence Day and what freedom really means to us.
That's right. But this isn't just a history lesson. We're going to have a natural English conversation and learn some super useful English expressions along the way.
Great. So, Priya, let me start with a simple question. What does Independence Day mean to you?
For me, Independence Day is a reminder of the sacrifices made by the people who fought for our freedom. It really makes me appreciate the opportunities and freedom we have today.
That's a beautiful way to put it. I think independence is not just about being free from foreign rule. It also means having the responsibility to build a better society.
Exactly. Freedom and responsibility. They go hand in hand.
That's an important expression. Go hand in hand. It means two things are closely connected.
For example, freedom goes hand in hand with responsibility.
Perfect. Now, Priya, how do people usually celebrate Independence Day?
Oh, there are so many ways. Schools and colleges organize cultural programs. People gather for flag hoisting ceremonies. And many families watch the national celebrations on TV together.
And, of course, you can see the national flag everywhere.
Yes, the atmosphere is usually full of patriotism and excitement.
Speaking of patriotism, what does patriotism actually mean to you?
Patriotism means having love, respect, and a strong sense of connection toward your country.
So, is patriotism only about celebrating national holidays?
Not at all. I think true patriotism is shown through our everyday actions.
What do you mean?
For example, following the law, respecting other people, keeping our surroundings clean, helping those in need, and contributing positively to society.
I completely agree. Sometimes we think loving our country means only celebrating special occasions, but our daily actions matter just as much.
Exactly. A better country is built by responsible citizens.
That gives us another useful phrase, responsible citizen.
A responsible citizen understands their rights, but also remembers their duties.
Well said.
Now, Jack, let me ask you a question. If you could give one message to young people on Independence Day, what would it be?
I would say, value your freedom, respect others, educate yourself, and use your skills to make a positive difference.
That's a great message.
And what about you, Priya?
I would say, don't just ask what your country can give you. Ask what you can contribute to your country.
Wow, that is definitely something worth thinking about.
Definitely.
Now, it's time for our English challenge.
Here's the question for everyone watching today. Complete this sentence. Independence means blank to me.
Write your answer in the comments below. Try to write at least 2 or 3 sentences in English.
And don't worry about making mistakes. The goal is simply to practice and improve.
Before we finish, let's quickly review today's useful expressions.
Number 1, go hand in hand. Two things that are closely connected.
Number 2, responsible citizen. Someone who understands and performs their responsibilities toward society.
And number 3, make a positive difference. To create a good or meaningful change.
Excellent. So Priya, any final message for our viewers?
Yes, freedom is a precious gift, but it also comes with responsibility. Let's respect our country, respect one another, and continue learning and growing together.
Beautifully said.
Happy Independence Day once again.
Happy Independence Day, everyone. Keep learning, keep speaking, and keep improving your English.